In this video, you will learn how to make this traditional six-petal flower. Also, you will see some ideas on coloring paper and adding items to embellish the flower. To make this flower, we need 3 pieces of paper. They are rectangles in the proportion of 2 by 1. In this case, this is 6 inches by 3 inches or 15 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. If we cut one square in half, we have 2 of the needed rectangles. These flowers were made with pieces of paper about 3 inches by 1.5. The petals are tied with a piece of wire. The smaller the flower, the thinner the wire we want. And this can be also the stem. For a flower of this size, I'll be using this wire, which is called pipe cleaner wire. But any other thicker wire will be fine. In this case, I have paper with a different color on each side. We are going to begin with the color side facing up. We fold in half lengthwise, rotate, and we are going to bring this corner up so that this edge touches the upper edge. Repeat here and repeat behind. Now we bring this lower edge to the upper folded edge. We create a fold about here. Repeat on the back. Now we are going to unfold to this position and we are going to create a fold here at the center. And we fold to this position again. We are going to repeat the same process with the other 2 pieces of paper. Now we are going to bend the piece of wire so that we make this hook. We stack the 3 pieces together, match. We are going to hold it from this longer edge and then we insert into the wire at the center and twist. Then we fold these 2 to the left and we fold these together to the right. And we position them symmetrically around. Now we are going to open this petal by placing our thumb inside and pressing with the fingers from underneath. We can curl the ends. We can also use a button to create a center. We thread the wire through the holes, give it a twist, and then we can attach the petals. And then we can tighten. And here is how I made some leaves.
This square is 6 by 6 inches. We are going to make an accordion fold of 8 equal sections.
I place the raw edge on my right. This will be the center of the leaf, and then I
Cut the shape of 1/2 of the leaf.
we open. We have 4 leaves. We can choose to cut them here, or we can use them all together.
We can color the paper before folding. Look for a video on this channel describing the process. We can apply color patterns on recycled pieces of paper using markers, and then use the paper to make the flowers. In this case, a red bead was attached at the center. On this channel, look for the video on how to make these sunflowers too. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com.